Hey guys, how's it going? Tony Maritato here. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to use OBS, which is free, with your free Canon EOS utility to use the quality of a DSLR when you're streaming live to Facebook. So if you can see here, I've got my EOS utility up and running already. If you purchase the Canon camera, you'll have gotten the CD to install the EOS utility. If I click on Live View Shoot, there's my mug right there. And so a couple of reasons why would you want to do Facebook Live with a DSLR? Well, there's a couple of reasons. I mean, first off, if you look behind me, you can see the nice blur in the background. Now, this is a prime lens that I'm using. It's a 24 millimeter. Usually I use telephoto that's 17 to 55 millimeter. I think I get a much better blur with that, but I had to loan that lens out tonight, so now I'm using my prime. But the other reason really is just the way you can control the lighting, the way you can control the blur. So for example, if I back up, right, clearly I'm out of focus. But if I click on the autofocus with face tracking, now I'm back in focus. But now let's say I switch, because I'm getting really intense, I'm up in your mug, I hit it again, and here it goes. Now this is an older Canon. This is a 60D. The autofocus is really slow. The 80D, the autofocus is much faster. But let's go ahead and show you the rest of this. So I've got this up. Again, this is a free utility. If I come in here and jump into OBS, which is also a free download, I'm not going to get into how to use OBS, but basically, if I click on Window Capture, EOS 60D, hit OK, drop down here, I find it. That's not the one I want. Live View. I hit OK. And then what's cool about OBS, I didn't realize this. If you just click on these corners, it resizes everything proportionally. But if I hold the Alt key down and I start to drag in, it lets me select just the part of the screen that I want. And so right now I'm still holding the Alt key. I let go of the Alt key, and now I can resize it. And so if I want, you know, like I've got this black bar across the top still. I don't mind the black bars, but I'm going to balance them out a little bit. There you go. And then I let go. I can resize it to fill the screen. And so there you go. Now you can see that I made these little, you know, intro deals. So for example, let's see what happens. I put this timer up there. If I start my live stream, I've got the timer countdown. It gives people a chance to come on, but know that you're still doing something. And then from there, I can get my intro bumper that comes on with the glitch. And then from there, I can jump onto my screen, introduce myself. There's also like, I've got some live motion graphics where they come in with my name and that I'm a physical therapist. So there is some really cool stuff, all free, all really interesting. I'll post this tutorial. This is only useful right now for Canon users, but you also saw my video on Sparko Cam, which lets you use Canon or Nikon, and I'm pretty sure Sony. So you can bring the quality of your DSLR. I would even say it's better than your smartphone. The only thing is the audio. And so here, so I've got this Rode mic that I'm using. This one's a $170 mic, but you don't need a really expensive mic. I'll post some affiliate links in the notes in the comments, comment section below. But a good quality mic, something better than the computer mic, is definitely going to help. I hope you like this video. If you need any help or have any questions, please post them in the comments. I'll keep working on this, and I'll talk to you guys soon.